So for example, the how to create the composition. So I just first make this a horizontal line. First make the horizontal line like this. uh, Make some red color pencil. Okay, so this is the red color pencil. First I just first make the horizontal line like this. So this is a horizontal line, okay, and this is a one point perspective. So this the road is coming like this. So just make this one point perspective like this one, and another road coming, another line of road is coming like this. So we can perspective like this, but the road is going little curve. So what I do, I just make it curve like this. I take another color, then understood nicely. But the road is going like this. See, I just make it load is going like this, but perspective is this. This one point perspective. So road is going like this. See, like this. But main perspective this. But when you draw practical drawing, then you can making this line like this. So very important to understand the perspective of 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, and multi perspective. Okay, so this is a composition. First I make the composition, and here also, see here also like this, the tree, the okay, the river, landsliding like this, and both side is a tree, like a grasses, and the mud like this. Okay, both sides. And here, this is one point perspective. Here you can see the tree. Okay, so here some small tree, others coconut tree, but it is one point perspective here. So here is a tree is going like this, bigger, smaller, then bigger, then more bigger, then more bigger. You can make them more bigger like this. So see here, I just first see this composition, how to make it. Not randomly start any landscapes, just start, see like this. First 1, 2, 3, 4. I make this like a pillar, and then I can make it more far. So here tree, just composition. Okay, this is make the composition, not in details. The tree, here the tree like this. Just making the sketching fast. Okay, don't do take most time. Just first here more bigger tree. So this tree is a more front of you, so it's more looks more details, the leaves. So how to create your composition for your exam, or okay, for syllabus drawing. So we have a art class as same as the art exam. If you was to going to a exam, this is lots of different centers like Sarvabharat Sangeet Parishad, Bongo Sahitya Parishad, that Khairagor, Mysore universities, all this they are getting art exam. So for getting the certificates. So when you going some art exam, for making the certificates for your in future, if you want to use this certificate for job sectors or some IT sectors, if you are going to the creative line. So see, I just make the composition. Here I can make the cloud very lightly. Okay, so see how make this nice composition. And here what I want to share you, here I creating the character. I told you, no, if you make the composition, make the character as well in your drawing. See, I just make the composition like this. Yes, just 1 second, Babu, 1 second. I'm coming. So I just create a composition. See, this character are going to a home with the cycle, or you can make this this character is a balloon wala. This have some balloon in his. Okay, he sells some balloon and is going to the. This is the road. Okay, yes. So this is composition. It looks good if you are making like composition like this. So scenery also there and one character also there. Okay. So Bellinola is usually looking like this. Okay. Something just make one sketch, rough sketch. Okay. Ideation. 1 point perspective, the horizontal line, and just rough sketch. No need to details. Rough, very rough.